Imagine stepping into a cozy Irish pub, the air filled with laughter and the clinking of glasses. Then, a distinct, vibrant sound cuts through the chatter, instantly transporting you to the heart of traditional music. It is bright, lively, and incredibly soulful. That captivating sound is often the Irish concertina. It produces a clear, bright, and somewhat reedy tone, reminiscent of an accordion but with a more focused, delicate quality. It sounds wonderfully nimble, capable of both quick, spirited melodies and expressive, sustained notes. The unique sound of the Irish concertina stems from several key features. First, it is a free reed aerophone, meaning sound is produced by air flowing past vibrating metal reeds. Unlike many accordions, the Irish concertina is typically a bisonoric instrument, which means each button produces a different note depending on whether you are pushing the bellows in or pulling them out. This design encourages a distinctive push and pull phrasing that is central to Irish traditional music. Its small size and hexagonal shape also contribute to its bright, penetrating voice and makes it very portable. The reeds themselves are often set in a way that gives them a slightly sharper, more brilliant quality, perfectly suited for the quick ornamentation and intricate rhythms found in jigs, reels, and hornpipes. To truly appreciate the sound, you will want to hear it in its natural habitat, a live session. Many pubs across Ireland host traditional Irish music nights where concertina players often feature prominently. You can also explore recordings online or seek out albums by renowned Irish concertina players. When listening, notice how the player uses the bellows to create dynamic phrasing and how the rapid button work allows for intricate, flowing melodies. The most common type of Irish concertina is the Anglo-concertina, known for its punchy sound and ability to play fast, rhythmic tunes. Famous players like Noel Hill and Edel Fox have truly mastered its distinctive voice, showcasing its versatility from energetic dance tunes to slow, emotive airs. It is an instrument that demands both technical precision and deep musicality, earning its place as a cornerstone of Irish traditional music. Understanding the concertina's unique sound enriches your appreciation for Irish traditional music, allowing you to identify its bright, reedy voice and the intricate interplay of notes that make every tune come alive. It is a sound that embodies the spirit and joy of Irish culture, an authentic experience you will not want to miss.